Let's look at how you can quickly find feedback for a new feature. For example, you want to add time tracking to your product. So you'll create a time tracking feature. We can open the feature and write a very superficial description, a one-liner. Now you wonder, do we already have any feedback about time tracking in our interviews or other sources? Just click the AI suggestion button and Fibery will look through all your sources and make some suggestions. Here we see that time tracking was discussed in a couple of web snippets and was mentioned in one interview. Let's open the interview. Yes, indeed, Anna requested a time tracking feature. So we can go ahead and link this feature to the feedback and also the web snippets. New highlights are created and linked to the time tracking feature. And now it's possible for a priority score to be calculated. Let's check how relatively important this feature is. We can navigate to the backlog and see that the time tracking feature is in 4th place priority based on all the feedback we have related to it. So as you can see, it's possible to make informed prioritization decisions by quickly uncovering existing feedback relevant to a new feature.